Good morning, children. Let's start chapter number 5, Seeds and Seeds. So, children, as the name suggests, seeds and seeds means this whole chapter is all about seeds, children. Okay? So, I know you know many kind of eatable seeds. We all know seeds, right? So, the jawar, bajra, rice, wheat, the gram, chana, moong, they all are seeds, right? So let's talk about the seeds only. Gopal was waiting for his Mausi's family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about them, thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then his mother called out, "Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak." Now here you have to be careful what she said. Remember to soak 2 small bowl katoris of chanas. Chana means gram, kale chana. Okay. She said, take 2 katori of chana and put it in a big bowl and soak it into the water. She was going to his Bua's house and would return only in the morning. Okay. As he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, how will 2 small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons? So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. Okay, so total 4 bowls. Okay. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessel. How much did you soak? Asked his mother. How did that happen? Wondered Gopal. Okay. So children, here what's happening that he soaked only 4 bowls and it must be coming half the big vessel, right? But when you soak it in the water, it absorbs a lot of water and the size becomes double, right? He wasn't sure that this will come so much. After soaking, the bowl will be overflowed. Okay. Then his mother said, you soaked too much. What his mother said? You soaked too much. Anyways, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. Okay. So she said, half I'll cook and half I'll put it into for the sprouting. So how to make the sprout? She'll take the chanas, okay, gram, and then she is going to tie it into the cloth and leave it for the sprouting for a day. I can send these to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts. Okay, means the sprout is so healthy, right? The doctor, they suggest you, they advise you to eat the sprout. Mother said, she tied. Now this is the way how to make the sprout. What she did, she tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. So that's how the sprout is made. She left it for the sprouting. Okay, children? So what things are soaked before cooking in your house? What things do you eat after sprouting? What things do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted and how much time does it take? Has doctor or someone have ever told you to eat sprouts and why? Children, so we all know that sprouts are very, very good for us. So what are we going to do? We are also going to do this activity, making of the sprouts. How are we going to do the making of the sprouts? We had done already in 4th standard. So here take some chanas and 3 bowls here. You have to do this activity. Put 5 chana in the first bowl, fill it up with the water. Put a damp piece of cloth or some cotton wool in the second bowl. Now keep the same number of chanas in it. Make sure the cotton wool and the cotton remains wet. Put the same number of chanas. Same number of chana means 5 chanas. Okay. In the third bowl, do not put anything else. Cover all the 3 bowls. Okay. So after 2 days, and note the changes in the bowl. So what happened? 3 bowls you have. In the first bowl, lot of water. Second bowl, damp cloth or damp cotton. You have to sprinkle water on the cloth every day. Okay, morning and night, so that it remains damp. And third, it's empty. There's no water into it, so it's just air. So bowl 1, the seeds are completely submerged under the water is so much that even after soaking the water, it remains submerged into the water. Okay, so do they get air? No. Bowl 2, yes. Bowl 3, yes. Like this you have to fill this one. Are the seeds getting water? You have to write down yes or no. Okay, so you have to do this. So children, after that you have to answer this question. Okay, you have to answer, in which bowl did the seeds sprout? What difference did you see between the bowls of the other bowls and the other bowls? Why did Gopal's mother tie chana in the damp cloth? That's what we did. So sprouting time of the seeds may vary according to the temperature and humidity of the weather. Okay, so if it is very cold, then temperature is low, so it takes more time. In summer it sprouts quickly, and humidity is also low, so we need little humidity, right? So it depends, the time depends in different seasons, because it depends on temperature and humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the water content in the air. Okay, so children, you have to do this activity and then you have to show it to me.